guys, it's me, Faith, and today we're gonna be doing something special, and I'm so excited because I'm so weak. I need to go to the gym. We're gonna be doing an unboxing haul. I got my package this morning. I saw Kelsey Simone's video almost a week ago, and she got stuff from SHEIN, and it's just a very affordable clothing site. I did some impulsive buying, which is really bad, so I got a lot of stuff to wear in the fall and winter, even though it doesn't get super cold. Well, it kind of gets cold. Anything below 70 is cold for me. Let me get my scissor. I ordered this on Sunday. Ew, there's hair. I literally shed like a freaking sheep. Do sheep shred? I ordered this Sunday, and then today is Friday. I got express shipping, and the express shipping was from 4 to 6 days. So it's the 5th day, so we're just gonna open it up because I can't wait anymore. If you hear the fan, it's because it's on, obviously. I'm so excited! It's like Christmas. I love Christmas. Oh my god, I'm scared. Oh my god. I don't know how to do this. I feel like the Hulk. Okay, I shouldn't do that. Okay, I should cut this part because there we go. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so excited. How did everything fit in here? The first thing I see, oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I got this leopard jacket. It's like so furry. And it has buttons right here, so it clasps. I got this in a small. I saw this last year, like the same time this year, and I was like, oh my god, I really want one. But I never got one, and now it came back. I'm so excited to style that. I love furry jackets, and I've always wanted a leopard one. Ooh, it comes in like a Ziploc bag. Oh my god, it's so soft. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh, it's like kind of thin. It's a quarter zip, like teddy bear long sleeve. Looks like it's going to be a little bit oversized, which I'm in love with. It's just gray, this dark heather gray, and then it's white. And I got that in a small also. Maybe I'll link all the stuff below if I don't forget. Oh, these are like kind of boring, but I needed some black tights because I don't have any. I know, right? Like, what the heck? These were one size. It came in 2 pairs. It was like $9 or something. So I just got tights to wear under like skirts. Ooh, okay. I got this hat. Seen it everywhere, and I want to start getting more into hats. It's those boy baker hats. Oh my god. I live. Now I'm gonna go bake something. I got a couple skirts. The first one that I got this in a small also. Hopefully it's not too small. I got this plaid mini skirt. It's just like warm tone gray with some orange. Okay, and then I also got this other skirt. It's like a oh, it's super thin. I thought it was gonna be thicker.
Girl, you're thicker than a bowl of oatmeal.
I could wear tights with this one. I don't have skirts like these. It kind of like is roughly on the bottom. It's just those gingham, is that what it's called? Gingham prints? What is this? Oh, okay. I saw this on Kelsey Simone's haul that she recently did. Oh, I've always wanted a shirt like this. It's basically those see-through shirts. And it looks super cute on her. So I was like, I want that. I could wear, I have like a couple of bralettes that I've wanted to wear, but just not alone. Wear this on top of it. It's just great for layering. Next. I'm excited for this one. It's one of those shirts that is one sleeve. It's hard to show. I'll insert a picture somewhere. I got this in a small, and it's ribbed and really good quality. And then I also got the same one, but in white. It's not long sleeve. It's just a crop top. And then I got some accessories. I got some gold hoops. The ones that I have are all rusted and gross, and they come in 6 different shapes. They get larger as it goes on. And then I got these ones. They're dangly earrings and there's just like circular ones. I don't know how to explain it, but I thought those were cute. These are so cute. I got heart-shaped earrings and they're kind of dangly also, and they have little pom-poms in their hearts, and it reminds me of Chanel No. 1 and Chanel No. 2, Scream Queens, you know? The last thing that I got are shoes. Oh, I'm so excited. Shoes. I love shoes. I got boots because I'm on a tour. Oh, it smells. You know when like shoes smell weird? That's what kind of it smells like. It was an European shoe size. I had to search it up. I'm usually a 6.5 to 7. I got these in 37. These chunky boots, the little bow in the back, pointed. These ones just look perfect for the fall. My whole bed is literally a mess. It's literally Christmas came early. I don't know why my camera cut off, but I just want to say that was all. Quite a few things and I just wanted to show you guys. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, make sure to subscribe. If you want me to style these in another video, make sure to comment that, or comment any video ideas actually. That's pretty much it, and I hope you guys like it. Make sure to subscribe. Yay! I'll see you in my next video. Bye!